Hey guys, Janine here, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to take the integral of x to some power n. So we have this formula that the integral of x to the n is equal to x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So let's go ahead and apply this formula to some examples. So in this first example here we have the integral of x squared. So let's go ahead and start out by adding 1 to our power. So we have x squared plus 1. Then we're going to go ahead and divide by n, which is 2, and then add 1 to that, and then plus c. Okay, and now we want to go ahead and simplify this, so we have x to the third power over 3 plus c. Okay, in this next example here, we have the integral of x to the fifth, and so the first thing that we're going to do is add 1 to our power. So we have x to the fifth plus 1, and then we're going to take our power, which is equal to 5, and we're going to add 1 to that, and then plus c. So simplifying this, we have x to the sixth over 6 plus c. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this last example here. So we have the integral of x to the 100, and so we start out by adding 1 to our power, so x to the 100 plus 1 over n plus 1. So n is 100, and we just add 1 to that, and then plus c. And then simplifying this, we have x to the 101 over 101 plus c. And that is our final answer. And so that is how you take the integral of something of the form x to the n. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.